Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open the App Store and make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version available. After that, go to your iPhone settings and tap on General. Then select iPhone storage. Over here, scroll down and find WhatsApp, then tap on it. After that, tap on Offload app. Then open WhatsApp again and go to settings. Over here, scroll down and tap on help. Then select help center. After that, tap on chats. Then individual and group chats. Here you'll find facts and guides. Scroll through to see if there's information about adding multiple WhatsApp accounts on iPhone. Then go back to iPhone settings, tap on General and scroll to VPN and device management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. After that, go back to the App Store and confirm your WhatsApp app is updated. If the option to use multiple WhatsApp accounts is not visible, it might not be available in your region yet. So that's basically how you can use two WhatsApp accounts on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.